Welcome to our channel. If you want to share contacts from Apple Mail with Netflix, follow these step-by-step instructions to export your contact information for sharing or backup purposes. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Mac or iPhone. This is where your Apple Mail contacts are stored. Step 2. On Mac, select the contacts you want to share by clicking on them while holding the Command key. On iPhone, open the contact you wish to share. Step 3. On Mac, go to File menu and select Export, then Export vCard. On iPhone, tap the contact, then tap Share Contact at the bottom. Step 4. Choose where to save the vCard file on Mac or select your sharing method on iPhone such as email, messages, or AirDrop. Step 5. If you need to send these contacts via Netflix communication, open your email app and create a new message addressed to the Netflix email address you want to share with. Step 6. Attach the exported vCard file to the email by clicking the attachment icon and selecting the saved contact file. Step 7. Add a subject line and message explaining that you're sharing contact information, then send the email. Step 8. Alternatively, you can copy the contact information and paste it directly into a Netflix customer service form or message if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.